The seismic retrofitting of motorway viaducts ensuring resilience in the face of natural disasters. Beyond roads and bridges, New Zealand's infrastructure ecosystem encompasses tunnels, ports, airports, railways, and energy distribution systems, all interconnected and crucial for economic vitality, with significant emphasis on sustainability, reflected in projects that incorporate cycleways, pedestrian infrastructure, and environmental safeguards, ensuring that transport development minimizes ecological impact, particularly in sensitive landscapes like Fjordland or the Waikato River Basin. Speaking of rivers, infrastructure is deeply intertwined with water management, as bridges not only cross rivers but also interface with flood protection systems, dams, and hydropower facilities, such as those on the Waikato River, which provide much of the North Island's electricity, illustrating how river infrastructure in New Zealand serves dual purposes of energy and mobility. Furthermore, urban centers like Auckland, Wellington, and Christchurch have invested heavily in integrated transport systems combining road, rail, busways, and ferry terminals, supported by advanced digital technologies like intelligent transport systems, electronic tolling, and real-time traffic management to improve efficiency and reduce congestion, while rural regions continue to benefit from ongoing road sealing programs and bridge building schemes that replace aging wooden structures with modern, durable concrete or steel spans, improving safety and reliability. The balance between preserving heritage structures, like century-old railway viaducts, and embracing cutting-edge design, like cable-stayed bridges or earthquake-isolated supports, reflects the dual priorities of cultural identity and modern resilience. Challenges remain, such as addressing climate change impacts on low-lying coastal roads, funding large-scale projects, and meeting the demands of population growth and freight expansion, but successive governments have recognized that infrastructure investment is essential for economic competitiveness and community well-being, leading to initiatives such as the National Land Transport Program, which prioritizes road safety, resilience, and emissions reduction. Overall, New Zealand's roads, river bridges, and infrastructure tell a story of a nation that, while geographically remote and environmentally fragile, has consistently demonstrated the ability to innovate and adapt, creating a transport network that is not only practical and efficient but also symbolic of its identity, connecting mountains to coasts, urban hubs to rural heartlands, and people to opportunities, all while striving toward a sustainable, future-ready system that respects the natural beauty and cultural heritage for which the country is globally renowned. Thanks for watching this. See you again with next video.